In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We'll go from a blank machine to running the Claude Code CLI inside a clean, reproducible Docker environment, and I'll explain what each step does so you're confident about the setup. First, install Docker. On Linux or macOS, open your terminal and run the following commands in order: sudo apt update, then sudo apt install docker.io docker compose y. Enable Docker so it starts right away with sudo system seal enable, now Docker, and confirm it's working by running docker version. On Windows, install Docker Desktop from Docker's official website and complete the guided setup. Once Docker is running, we're ready to create our project. Make a dedicated folder so everything stays organized. In your home directory, create a folder named Claude Docker and change into it by running mkdir/Claude Docker, then cd into that folder. Inside this directory, you can keep a Docker file, a docker compose.yml, and an app folder where your code or prompts will live. Now create a Docker file in this folder. We'll start from the Python 3.11-slim base image. Set the working directory to /app and install small essentials like curl and git. Then we'll install the Claude Code CLI using the official install script. If you already have files to use, copy the local app folder into /app. We'll also define an environment variable called Claude API key to hold your key. As a best practice, don't hardcode secrets. Plan to pass the key at runtime through an environment variable. The default command can call the Claude executable, which will read the key you provide. If you prefer easier container management, add a docker compose.yml. Define a service named Claude that builds from the current folder, sets the container name to Claude_code, passes the Claude API key from your host environment, mounts the local app folder to /app so files stay in sync, and allocates a TTY for interactive use. Build the image by running docker build -t claude -code. The build may take a few minutes as it